Hello Sudoku friends, welcome Today in the daily newspaper of it's Thursday, February the 10th, 2022. We have here in this newspaper only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper there's also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. Come on. Yeah. In this additional, we have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, Kalo Sudoku binary puzzle, and second binary puzzle. Those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 5 of them. Half of them I will solve. Include the medium Sudoku. It will be 6 puzzles for today. Okay. And by the way, news of today is, let me show you. Yeah, I've told you last time about The Voice in Holland. The Me Too allegations is also in the soccer world, also in the media companies, also in the movie industries. So lately a lot of Me Too allegations. Anyway, let me continue with the puzzles, okay? Alright. Medium Sudoku. I cannot talk too loud because we are in a library. Alright. Let me show you the library. Yeah. It's the library. Alright, the library. Okay. This medium Sudoku will be number, I believe, 4105. Yeah. Oh, this one. 4105. Alright. And what kind of medium Sudoku is this one? I have already counted the printed digits. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, it's a 2 stars Sudoku. For 2 stars, I need, I believe I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the 3 in this row? Last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay, the 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 5. We have an 8 and a 5 in this column, so no 8 and a 5 in this box. The 8 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. See here, 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Let me see. How about 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Three. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5 in this big square. We see here 5 in this row, the middle row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. So these 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So those 2 boxes in the middle row should be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing and 8 is missing. No, 7 is missing. Here we have 8. And the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this column. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 it goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Okay. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So the last column, only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. I see here 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6, it goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in last column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 4. Yeah. We have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 4. And let me see for other digits. How about the 1 in this column? Last column. 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in these 2 boxes, 5 and 8. 5 and 8. I can see here the 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5, it goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Alright. 6, 7, 8. Then. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 it goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 it goes there. Now we have an 8 here. This box can't be 8 anymore. That box will be an 8, and this box will be a 5. Okay. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. 9, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. We have a 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and 6 in this box. The 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Okay. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 3 and 8. I've marked this 3 and 8. 3 and the 8 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of one of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in the 3rd row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in the 1st row, 6 in the 3rd row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and all the 6's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Okay. So we have 8 in the 3rd row, 8 in the 2nd row, so the 1st row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there, and all the 8's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Okay, 5 is missing. Okay. Then. And we have 2 missing numbers in the 1st column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. So we have a 4 in this first row, 4 in the third row, so row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4, okay. Alright. Then. How about the number? These two missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We see here 5 and no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8 and the 9 is missing, 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 5. 9 in this row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve for 2 stars Sudoku, and I've solved this in 16 minutes, so I'm very pleased, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional 5 to go. Yes, before I leave, I'm interested in these numbers, the center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing almost 3 weeks, and maybe I can see a pattern, or maybe you can see a pattern. But here we have 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 9, 6, 2, 9, 6, 2, and 7, 9, 3. 7, 9, 3. 2 pairs. 7. 3 pairs. The 9. Yeah, the 9. And the 2s. Okay. 3 pairs. Amazing. See you later. Bye bye for now.